Hello everyone. Suppose you want particular spreadsheet data into another sheet. Like here we have some data and this is my blank sheet. Okay. Then you can write equal to sign import range. Okay. And in that import range, what you can do is you just simply copy paste this link. Okay. This one, this data link, and just paste here between double quotation and then again comma, and you have to write again double quotation a colon a z. Okay, and then enter. If it is your first time, you will find hashtag reference error, so click on it and click on the allow axis. See, and if I'm doing any kind of changes, for example if I'm removing this, okay, and then obviously here also you will find the same thing. See, so this is how you can uh, get your spreadsheet data into another spreadsheet. Thank you everyone.